In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on the SHEIN app in the latest, most straightforward way. Now, let's say you've found yourself in a situation where you've impulsively purchased something on SHEIN and quickly realized you need to cancel that order. Good news, there's a simple process for doing that, and I'm here to guide you through it. All you need is a few minutes, and I'll walk you through each step, making sure it's as clear and hassle-free as possible. So let's get started by heading over to the main platform itself. Open your web browser and go to do.shein.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a profile icon there. Give that a click to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the option labeled My Orders. This is your destination. Click on it to proceed to the next phase of the process. Now that you're in the My Orders section, this is where you'll hunt down the specific order you're looking to cancel. So what you're going to do next is browse through your order history, take your time and locate the order in question. Once you found it, you need to delve a bit deeper by clicking on Order Details. This will grant you a closer look at all the specifics of your order, which is necessary for the cancellation process. Now here comes a crucial part of the journey. Checking the status of your order. If the order is still labeled as processing, then you're in luck. An order with this status generally means it hasn't been shipped yet, which is the ideal scenario for a straightforward cancellation. Here, you should see a button that conveniently says Cancel Order. Go ahead and click on that button. Once you've clicked the Cancel Order button, you're almost at the finish line. A series of prompts will appear on your screen, guiding you through the cancellation confirmation process. It's essential to follow these prompts carefully to ensure your cancellation request is processed correctly. Go through each step, give confirmation where needed, and you'll soon be on your way to successfully canceling that order. And there you have it. You've just learned how to cancel an order on the SHEIN app using your desktop web browser. It's pretty simple once you know how to do it, and having this knowledge can save you from future headaches if you ever find yourself needing to make a cancellation again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video with more tips and tricks.